What is going on? Cheers, I am back again with another one, and today I have an Air Max 1 for you guys, the 86 Premium, aka the Lost Sketch, and these come in this fantastic special sort of like box with the Nike swoosh cut out, and you can see right through the tissue paper. I never had a box like this before myself. And yeah, man, look, even the tissue paper is nice. Now, here are the sneakers themselves. Man, I mean, now let me be very honest with you guys, okay? These are not what I expected. I mean, what in the f is this? Bro, usually, you know what happens? I see the sneaker, I see the pictures, I see some videos of it, and I like them. And when I get them in hand, you know, I tend to love them. You know, it looks much better in hand. It looks way better on feet. But this, what in the f is this? Bro, I mean, nah, man, yo, these ain't it, okay? These ain't it for me. I mean, I'll still end up keeping these because obviously I bought them for the history behind them. It's meant to be, you know, Tinker Hatfield's very early drawings of the Air Max 1, taken straight from, you know, his notebooks. As you can see here as well, the Nike Air logo is hand drawn. The midsole is very aged and yellowed. The leather, I think, is sort of like has this cracking effect to it as well. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I'll still end up keeping these, but I don't think I'll wear them. Okay, and that's nah. As you can see here as well, there's like a 86, I think, hand drawn with what looks to be a permanent marker, you know, font. But yeah, everything else just looks nice. I think I'm just a bit stuck on the midsole, the very aged. I don't know, man. I mean, it would have been fantastic if they went with, you know, a sail midsole. Yeah, that's just my only complaint, and it's just a bit of a deal breaker for me at the moment because I look at them in hand and they don't look as nice as they did on the pictures for me. Now, not all is lost. I have seen these sneakers with a lace swap on YouTube before, which I'm going to put up on the screen right now, and the link to his video will be in the description box below. But you know, with the lace swap, he has used a cream-ish sort of laces to go with the aged, you know, the yellowed the midsole on the sneaker, and that looks fantastic. Now I'm going to try something similar but with white laces. Sometimes I think they're white, but then I look on a different angle that they look sail. I don't know what's going on with these laces, man. But yeah, I got these straight from a Jordan 1. I do believe the blue laces that come with these, they don't add anything to the sneaker, right? I mean, it just looks plain. It looks basic. It's just blue on blue on blue. Adding that bit of color helped these sneakers quite a bit. I think they just look a lot better than the blue ones, in my opinion, of course. I don't know what you guys think. Do let me know below. Do you know what else I just noticed? On the Lost and Founds, the entire leather, everything was just aged, cracked, you know, cracked leather. That's what it's meant to be. And they have sail midsoles, not very aged, slightly aged. And the leather, like even on the safari prints, untouched. It's like a brand new. They should have made everything look aged, including the safari print, including the swoosh, you know. And it's not what they have done. I think it's not what it looks like. It's just the midsole, man. The midsole's just, it's a bit too much in my opinion. Okay, they could have gone with a sail midsole. Now on feet, there's not much to say. Obviously, it's an Air Max 1. As I'm sure most of you are aware, These are very, very comfortable pair of sneakers. An all-day sneaker for me. These go with everything, man. Joggers, jeans, shorts, whatever you can think of. You know, cargo pants. Air Max 1 is one of the best silhouettes ever, in my opinion. You know, this along with the 90s. Definitely my top 5. Definitely one of the best silhouettes ever. But yeah, it's just this particular one. This is the first time that happened to me ever. Usually, I see the sneaker first, like I said in the beginning as well. I like them, and then in hand and on feet, they look way better. But this time it's just the complete opposite. I love the pictures. I love the whole design of it. Again, the history behind the sneaker. And when I had them in hand, you know, when I opened the box, it was just a bit of a disappointment, shall I say. Now, when it comes to sizing, these are true to size. So whatever size you normally wear with your Nikes, it's the size you should go for. So the only sneakers I have a problem with when it comes to sizing from Nike would be 95s. You know, I usually go half a size up. The Air Force Ones, I go half a size down. The TNs, I have to go half a size up. But, you know, those are sort of like the only ones. And then the rest of them, the 90s, 95s, the ones, the Jordan ones, you know, they're all usually just true to size. I never had a problem with them so far. Now, would I recommend these? Yes and no. Obviously, it's just my opinion. Again, I didn't like these. I didn't like the very aged look on the midsole. You know, my only problem with this is the midsole. If they went with a more of a sail color, these would have been a 10 out of 10 easily. But yeah, I mean, that's just my personal opinion. But yeah, guys, that's it. That is it for today. But I'd love to find out what you guys think. You know, let me know in the comment section down below. And I will see you on the next one.